In this video, we're going to take a look at dividing in fractions. So if we've got 3/4 divided by 4/5, well, this 4/5 of course means 4 divided by 5, so we're effectively dividing by a divide. So what this means is we're really multiplying by this denominator and dividing by the numerator. So what we can do to make it a little bit easier for ourselves is we can flip this fraction over and change our divide to a multiply. So we keep this first fraction the same, 3/4. We change our sign to a times, so it's divide becomes a multiply. And we flip the second fraction over, 5/4. And now we've got a multiplying fractions question where we just need to multiply our two numerators together, multiply our two denominators together. Well, 3 times 5 gives us 15, 4 times 4 gives us 16. We get an answer of 15/16. If we look at another example, 6/11 divided by 5/6, again we can keep this first fraction the same. So keep the 6/11 where it is. We change this divide into a multiply. And we flip our second fraction over, 5/6 becomes 6/5. And now 6 times 6 gives us 36. And 11 times 5 gives us 55. Okay, now here's one question for you to have a go at. So what I suggest you do is just pause the video here and I'll go through this in just a moment. Okay, so this one here, 2/3 divided by 5/6. Again, we keep our first fraction the same. We keep it as 2/3. We change this divide into a multiply. And we turn this 5/6 into 6/5. We flip it over. So now 2 times 6 is going to give us 12. 3 times 5 gives us 15. And we can actually simplify this fraction. So we can divide both 12 and 15 by 3. So 12 divided by 3 would give us 4. 15 divided by 3 would give us 5. And we get a simplified answer of 4/5.